Alright guys, so let's get started with this look. So I'm going to be using the new Morphe 35H palette. Now, if you guys didn't know, Morphe did just release a new palette. This is what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. It has a ton of different looks you can do with this. But today I'm going to be staying with the more like mauve tone colors. I'm wearing like, you know, this really cute mauve top. So I wanted to do like a pre-fall look that we can kind of like get started. Maybe it'll bring on the more cooler temperatures. It is literally like 100 degrees outside. So let's just get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime the lids. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This stuff is really great. Let's go ahead and put it on. I'm gonna do one eye on camera and then do the other eye off camera. We're gonna want a nice tacky base for our shadow to go on. So the first shade that I'm actually gonna go in is gonna start our transition shade, and it's the shade Caffeine Buzz. If I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking at the little pamphlet that has the names on it. So it's this shade right here. It's a very pretty caramely, like caramely, almost like a taupey color. So we're just gonna like smack that right into our crease. So like I said, I'm using a nice little blending brush. I guess I'm just gonna keep on blending. So we're gonna go ahead and get something like this. If you wanted to go ahead and put some more, you can. But like I said, once you get to a point where you feel that the intensity is good and the blending good, you can go ahead and stop, and then we're gonna go on to the next step. Okay, so now we're gonna kind of deepen it up just a little bit. So we're gonna go in with that burgundy color right here on the second to last, and that shade is Party On. So I'm gonna get this little, like, it's almost like an angled brush so I can get it really nice into the crease. I'm not gonna put a ton of it on there just because I don't know how these shadows perform. So I'm gonna kind of like build it up right here in the outer V, and then kind of keep it pretty low into the crease. And then we're slowly gonna keep building it up, and I'm kind of gonna stop it kind of right here because I'm thinking of doing like almost like a mini little cut crease with that pewter color. It was really, really, really pretty. So I kind of want to play around with that. Sometimes Morphe shadows can kind of be a hit and miss. I don't know if anyone can agree with me, but they can be sometimes a little bit hard to blend with. And then I'm gonna go back in with that blending brush. Where did I put it? And then we're just gonna kind of softly blend those edges with the crease. So I'm gonna pack just a little bit more color because from blending I kind of lost this color over here. So I'm just gonna pack a little bit more. Alrighty, so we kind of have like this really like deep and sultry look. So like I say, still see a little bit of the transition shade up here, and then we see a little bit depth here. So once you have everything nice and blended out, we can go in with the concealer. You can literally use any type of concealer that you want to use. And then once we have the concealer on, you can just kind of blend out the edges. I'm not using the right type of brush to do this. I don't have like a flat rounded brush, which I need one really bad. So once we have that all nice and blended out, we're gonna go in with that pewter color that I was mentioning earlier. It's this color right here, third in, and that shade is Alone Time, which is really cute. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna kind of blend these two colors together with that maroony color. So we're just gonna go back in with our brush and we're just gonna gently touch the edges so that it's nice and blended, so that it looks seamless to the other shades. And I'm going really lightly. I'm not going really hard. I'm like packing and then I'm like kind of sweating back and forth, so that we have a nice blend between the colors. Alrighty, so that is what we're looking like so far. Everything looks really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and add this little bony color here to the brow bone, and that shade is called Siesta. So we're just gonna go ahead and use another brush. Let's see if I can find one. I have my brushes everywhere, so we're just gonna highlight the brow bone. And also too, I kind of figured out this is like a cool little trick that sometimes if you go a little bit too high with your transition shade, you can kind of cover it a little bit with the brow bone color, so kind of help diffuse that color. Sometimes if you go too high and you get a little too happy with blending, that's kind of my little trick that I like to do when I'm wanting to fix eyeshadow look, and it really helps kind of like blend everything and mesh everything together. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye of camera and put on the base, and we'll come back to do the Allure lash line together because I'm gonna really smoke it out and really make it dramatic. So I will be right back. Alrighty guys, so I am back. So I decided not to do anything with a Allure lash line. I just put some mascara on, and I have these really wispy like out lashes. They really like give me like the kind of like the cat eye effect, but I'm like really loving this look. It looks so pretty. Like, I don't know if the camera is really giving it justice, but this look looks amazing, like amazing. I did like really light on the highlighter. I also like really want to focus mainly on the eyes, but I kind of want to keep this like monochromatic. So I'm gonna go in with this NYX soft lip cream in Budapest, and let's go ahead and put some lipstick on. I'm obsessed with these lashes. They're so pretty and so wispy. Oh, I'm obsessed. But these are the Ardell Remy lashes, and they're on the style 778. Everything that I use on my face today, I'll leave it down in the description box so you guys can check out. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys are ready for all the fall looks, Bambi lipsticks. I know I am. But that completes today's video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, join our little family. Also give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye guys.